Hey guys, on today's tutorial I'm going to teach you how to reset your Chromebook back to factory settings. So see right here, you guys should see an icon of some type. Just click right there. And then we're just going to need to go to settings. So settings is your very last option down here. Alright, it's that gear icon. From here, just scroll all the way down till you guys see advanced. So just click on advanced and again scroll all the way down. Down here below, you guys will see power wash. You do have reset. That's not what you guys want. You guys want power wash, which is gonna delete all the content, all the information, and start from zero, okay? Factory settings. So let's just click right there on power wash. And we're gonna see this, restart. So just remember to have right here Chromebook connected to some electricity. You guys do require that. So let's just click on restart. At this stage, we can just click on power wash again, or you guys can update the firmware for security. So I'm gonna click right here just because it's safer to do so, and then just go into power wash. Click on power wash, continue. We will see a black screen and then you guys will get to here, okay? It's only be a couple of seconds. Then this power wash process, the entire process actually doesn't take too long, unless you guys have a bunch of stuff, but even then it doesn't take that long. You guys are looking at, for the entire process, maybe 5 to 10 minutes. If your internet's really slow, then sure, this could be a little bit longer, but it doesn't use that much of your internet actually. Although it's installing an update, it still doesn't use that much of your Wi-Fi. So I'm still looking at a total of 5 to 10 minutes to do the whole process. If you are selling your Chromebook and that's why you're looking at this video, I would not do this just a couple minutes before. Although I'm telling you that it's only gonna take you 5 to 10 minutes, there's things that can go wrong, right? So at least have 2 or 3 hours before you sell your Chromebook and do this power wash, okay? So your Chromebook should have restarted and you guys should see the screen right now. That means you are all done. You can shut it down. So you don't need to do a hard shutdown by pressing the power button on the side. You guys can just go into shutdown right here on the bottom left hand side and just click on shutdown and you're all done. Anyways, that's it for this video tutorial. If you guys have any comments, questions, you can write them down here in the comments area, and don't forget to subscribe and rate. Thank you.